If you're barely starting your online business, building up a mailing list from scratch can definitely seem like a daunting and straight-up scary thing to do, but it's actually really important. On average, email marketing sees a 4,400% return on investment. By signing up for a mailing list, people are willingly verifying their identity and letting you know that they are very much interested in what you have to offer, which makes them way more likely to turn into paying customers. The best thing you can do is to make the sign-up process as easy as possible. And one way to do it is to integrate your email marketing platform with your contact form. After all, 86% of people fill out at least one contact form per week, meaning if you can capture those leads while adding them to your mailing list at the same time, suddenly the task won't be as daunting. This is where the ActiveCampaign add-on by WPForms comes in. The ActiveCampaign add-on allows you to connect any of your contact forms to your ActiveCampaign account and automatically add users to your mailing list each time they fill out and submit a form on your site. Once inside the form builder, you can easily create a new connection, select any of the ActiveCampaign accounts you've integrated with your site, and then choose from any of the available actions to perform. Create or update a subscriber, allow them to unsubscribe from your list by using this form, allow them to delete themselves from your list, or use this form for event tracking. When creating subscribers, you can select the specific mailing list you'd like them to be added to, as well as assign a status, add any new or existing tags to their profile, or attach a note. You can even apply our smart conditional logic to this connection so that it's only processed if a user meets certain conditions in your form. When a user fills out and submits the form, whatever action to perform you selected will be reflected in your ActiveCampaign account. So if you chose to create subscribers, their information will automatically be added to the mailing list of your choosing. Building a mailing list can be hard, but with WPForms, we make it easy. Over 6 million smart business owners, designers, and developers use WPForms to build smarter forms. What are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.